Today we discuss the activity number 15. Objective of this activities is to understand concept of absolute maximum and minimum value of a function in a given closed interval through its graph. Now material required is drawing board, white chart paper, adhesive, geometric box, pencil, eraser, sketch pen, ruler and calculator. Now observation. Let us consider fx is equals to 2x cube plus 3x square minus 12x in the interval minus 3 to 3. We take different point of x in minus 3 to 3. Find the value of fx. Clear? X is minus 3, then fx is 9. X is minus 2, fx is 20. X is minus 1, fx is 13. X is 0, fx is 0. X is 1 and fx is minus 7. X is 2, fx is 4. X is 3 and fx is 45. Now, to perform this activity, we take a graph paper and plot to two axes. One is x-axis, another one is y-axis. X dash is x-axis and y dash is y-axis. And taking the points in axis 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. Similarly, we taking the points on the y-axis 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 in positive direction, positive y-axis, and minus 5, minus 10 in y dash axis. Now, how do we plot this graph? At the minus 3, at the point x is equals to minus 3, the value of fx is 9, means that point. And x is equals to minus 2, fx is 20. That axis is represent the x value and that value is represented the fx value. So minus 2 पे कितना आ रहा है 20. Similarly minus 1 पे कितना है minus 1 पर fx is 13. So minus 1 पर that is point is 13. And 1 पर when x equals to 1, fx is equals to minus 7, that point. And x equals to 2, fx is equals to 4, x equals to 3, y is equals to 45, means this point. Now we join the plotted point by a free hand curve, means this means. That means free hand curve. We joining these points in the free hands curve. Okay. Now, in this curve, the absolute maximum value of the fx means maximum value for this interval minus 3 to 3. That is the graph. The maximum value is this one. It is 45 at x equals to 3. Okay, so we write down the absolute maximum value of fx is 45 at x equals to 3. Similarly, now absolute minimum value of fx is, means this is the graph, the minimum value is this one, and that is minus 7 at x equals to 1. So the absolute minimum value of fx is minus 7 at x equals to 1. Now application. The activity is useful in explaining the concept of absolute maximum and minimum value of a function graphically.